Hello, welcome to an e-demo looking at the power of victorFIRE when a fire alarm takes place. You can see here we have the default victorFIRE layout open, and it shows a map of our facility along with a fire status bar along the bottom that shows everything in the system is currently healthy. When a fire alarm occurs, we have a video associated with the fire point in question, so we're going to get a video showing that area. If we close out of the video, we can see that we have alarms showing on the fire status bar, and we also have an icon on the map that is enunciating, indicating that it is in alarm. If I choose that icon, I can drill down to another map which shows the area of the building affected, and we can actually see the specific point in alarm there. I now know that this incident has been dealt with, so we're okay then to go ahead and silence the alarm. And we can do that globally across the entire system by choosing the Silence All button on our fire status bar. And with the system silence, we need to go ahead and acknowledge the alarm. If I click on the point alarm button on my fire status bar, I'm going to see a list of points that are currently in alarm. And from here, I can acknowledge them if I like. I'm going to go ahead though and do it globally across the whole system by choosing the Acknowledge All button on the fire status bar. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same to reset all of the devices as well. The power of victorFIRE comes not only from this ability to actuate devices, but it also comes from the video integrations with Tyco Security Products video recorders. If I click the event notification here, it's going to open up the event viewer, and it's going to show me an overview of all active and acknowledged events in my system. So you can see we have an active one in the upper pane here. If I expand this out to see the event itself, I can right click and I can choose review, which is going to open up the video in an investigator mode pane at the bottom. And the power of investigator mode is that I can drag in other cameras and they are going to be time synchronized to get an overview of the incident from various angles. If I choose the Maps tab, you can see a map of the area opens and the point in question is going to be highlighted and called out on that map. And there we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and acknowledge and clear this event from the event viewer just by choosing the Acknowledge button up here. It's going to move it into the Acknowledge pane, and if I choose Clear down below, that's going to bring my system back to its pre-alarm state, and I'm ready to continue monitoring my facility.